I'm going to show you a quick technique on getting some interesting effects with your palette knife and a little white paint, or any color really. You can use whatever color you like for this. Just put a little white onto your knife and then determine where exactly you want this effect. I think right in here is going to be a good place for this. So you just kind of lay it down like this, and then you just bring your knife through it. And that gives you that kind of almost snowy effect. Covers up that little section that was kind of a little bare. Doesn't cover up our color, but adds some interest and some highlight with the white color. And again, you can use any color you like. Since this is quite a light modern neutral painting, I'm going to just kind of work that in on a few areas. You can do as little or as much of that as you want, but again, if you just use a little bit of it, a couple areas, then you can create some very interesting visual variation on your canvas. Let that fully dry.